Hey friends, I am Priyanka Chaudhary and today's video is all about Gen Z English. The kind of slang you see all over Instagram, YouTube and Facebook and almost everywhere. Words like slay, vibe, riz and no cap sounds confusing. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will be using Gen Z slang like a pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. Gen Z English is filled with slang, abbreviations, and trendy expressions used by people born between 1997 and 2012. It's casual, creative, and often confusing for others. If you're learning English, then Gen Z slang might seem strange, but it's super common on social media. YouTube, Instagram, and even in everyday conversation among young people. And why learning Gen Z English actually matters? Let me share with you the reasons. It actually keeps your English modern. You understand pop culture better if you know Gen Z English. And let's be real, learning this English is fun. So without any further ado, let's decode some of the most popular Gen Z slang terms. The number one in the list is slay. Slay, which is a very common Gen Z English word. What does it mean? It means to do something amazingly or look great. For instance, you slayed that presentation today. So whenever you want to say amazing, you can say slay. Next one, no cap. It means I'm not lying or I'm serious. For example, this pizza is the best, no cap. Here comes number three, bet. Bet. It means okay, yes, or if you want to say sure, use this term bet. Example, do you want to go out tonight? Bet means you are saying yes. Next word. This one is going to be the phrase, it's giving. It's giving. It means it describes a vibe or impression. For example, this outfit, it's giving superstar. Have a look at that next Gen Z English word, vibe or vibin. It means chill mood or good energy. Let's use this in sentence. We were just vibing at the party. Next, riz. Riz. It means charisma or flirting skill. That is riz. For instance, he's got mad riz. The girls love him. Here is the next one, sus. Sus. It means suspicious or doubtful. Example, why are you acting so sus? It sounds so cool, isn't it? Next one, fire. Fire. It means amazing or excellent. Do not take it literally. No, not that fire. In Gen Zs use this word for talking about something amazing or excellent. For instance, that track is fire. That song is fire. Or your dress is fire. Like that. Here is the next one. Main character energy. Main character energy. What does it mean? It means acting like the star of a movie. That you are acting like that. You're not actually the star. Example, she walked into the room with main character energy. Yes. Have a look at the next word, dead ass. Dead ass. It means seriously or honestly. Example, I'm dead ass not going to the boring lecture. I'm seriously not going to the lecture, like that. And here comes the next word, flex. Flex. It means show off, showing off something. For instance, posting your vacation pics again, that's a flex. Or she keeps flexing on her social media, like that. Next one, low key. Low key, not low-key, it's low key. Well, what does it mean? It means definitely. For example, I low-key want to leave early. I definitely want to leave early. Or I low-key love teaching you all. And here is the next word, snack. Snack. It means someone who looks really good. Example, he is looking like a snack today. Who is snack in your acquaintance? Let me know in the comment. And the next word I have for you is ghost. Ghost. I'm not talking about any spirit here. No. Well, ghost for Gen Z, it means to suddenly stop responding or disappear. Example, he just ghosted me after the second date. Like that. And the next word, bougie. Bougie. And actually it means something fancy or luxurious. So that time you can use bougie. Example, this cafe is so bougie. So what do you find luxurious? You can call that bougie. Now I have a challenge for you. Try making sentences using 3 Gen Z slang words in the comments, and I will feature the most creative one in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit and subscribe, and do not forget to share it with your friends. Until next time, stay slaying, keep vibing, and no cap, you're doing amazing. Bye-bye.